So I just want you to see if you can talk to that transmitter right there. Are you able to talk to it?
Yeah, we got something now.
Okay. Let me see what we got. Just okay. It's coming in, huh? So what's it reading right now? How many milliamp?
We got 8.4.
Okay, and our pressure is negative 19.
Negative 19.78.
Okay, go ahead and disconnect. You can just put no, no, it's okay. You can just either way. You just reading it. You haven't changed anything. So if you just exit, yeah, there you go. Okay, you getting your exit?
Yeah, it's
That's a level transmitter, right? You see it? LT1. So right here, I got on LT1 right here. These two little jumpers. Go ahead and talk right there now, and let's see if we can talk to that same transmitter from up here. I bet we can.
Does it matter which jumper goes on, or which when you put the jumper on?
See, that's not right.
So now we're hooked up at the. That's a good question. But now we're hooked up, and we'll find out in just a second. So now we're hooked up at the terminal block, and we want to talk to that same transmitter from the terminal block. Is it talking?
yeah, HART detected.
Well, look at that. You can work in the AC. You don't have to be out there at the transmitter. Is that the same? Is that reading the same? Let's make sure we're on the same transmitter.
Find out.
Yeah, just give it 1 second right here.
8.4. Negative 19.
So when that happened, when they told on me, let me tell you what happened. The supervisor came in there and caught me sitting down in the AC. He said, "What the fuck are you doing?" I said, "I'm working." He said, "You're not working, you're in the AC." And guess what I told him? I said, "Let me show you what I'm doing." And so I showed him how I was talking in the terminal block. And he said, "Well, goddamn, if they don't know how to do it, then let them go in the heat." And I didn't tell him.
That's right. That's a good boss.
Did you change those wires around, Raul?
No.
Okay,
It just
change the wires back. You know, because Tom asked the question. He said, "Does it matter if you reverse the wires?" So let's answer Tom's question. Let's reverse the wires and see if it matters.
Did you
you want me to exit out from here?
You can.
automatically
Yeah.
pull off the wires if you get off the...
So what we're doing right here, we're at the terminal block talking to the transmitter, and I'm showing these men what is meant by highway addressable remote transducer. You can access this transducer anywhere on the highway that it's connected to, which is the pair of wires that are powering it up and sending the signal. You don't have to be at the transmitter. You can do it at the terminal block. And if it's real hot outside, I would suggest that you do it at the terminal block. Let's see if it's going to work. What do you think, Tom?
I didn't think it was gonna work.
It don't matter. It matters for DC. We're reading a digital signal now. Ones and zeros. Okay?
Yep.
Very good.